Hello and welcome to this course. In this course, we are going to talk about getting productive with modern Python. So Python is simple but is not easy to learn. Modern Python gives you code readability using indentation and white space to help you create code blocks. Being simpler than C++ or Java, it is high level, allows programmers like you to create logic with fewer lines of code. In this course, we will follow a problem solution format to tackle common productive roadblocks in Python programming. You will learn how to handle large data sets and files while processing them in Python efficiently. You will also be able to save time by addressing the performance issues of long-running tasks. There is no other course that helps you transform every corner of your Python code. Take this course and you will be confident in using Python of your large-scale applications and become quicker and more effective. My name is Rahul Tiwari. I am a data scientist with 13 plus years of experience. I train and consult organizations and individuals on business analytics, data science, machine learning. I have been helping students and organizations in various domains like retail, telecom, life sciences, finance, etc. in solving their business problems using data science, business analytics, and machine learning. I worked on Python programming extensively. Apart from that, I have good experience on tools like R, Tableau, Power BI, and SQL. So in this course, what we are going to learn? So here we have 6 sections, and in the first section, we will save your work over time with simple databases. In this, we will cover create in-memory and flat file databases with SQLite, parse unstructured data from www with requests and feed parser, persist data and state with JSON files and pickling. In the second section, we will write cleaner code with advanced comprehension and containers. Here we will talk about create complex lists in one line with comprehensions, quick summary statistics with collections dot counter, power up your dictionaries with one line merge and default dicts. In section 3, we are going to figure out why your program is slow with timeit and profile. Here we will talk about measuring time between two lines of code with timeit, figuring out where time is spent with the profile module, looking at memory consumption with memory profiler. In section 4, don't wait around for I/O with concurrent programming. In this, we'll talk about simple concurrent programming with Gevent, I/O loop driven concurrency with Tornado, native Python concurrency with async I/O. In section 5, we will do multiple things at once with parallel programming. Here we will talk about easily speed up a group of processes with pool, stop processes from interfering with each other with logs, logging what happens when you have many processes. And finally, in the last section, we will talk about creating reusable applications from your Python scripts. Here we will talk about create command line interfaces, CLIs with Black, manage dependencies and packages with pip environment, and finally refactor and tidy up code with PyCharm and Black. What are the prerequisites? So this course is basically aimed for Python developers and those who have to migrate to Python and are using it for large-scale professional applications to make their code Pythonic and powerful. Experience in Python is assumed. So I am very much excited for this course and I hope you will enjoy this and learn something from here. So let's get started.